Here we are in Missouri, December, first weekend of December. We had an ice storm, and it's insane. Here is the ice up on all of the trees. There's Caleb carrying Tristan out to the middle. It just breaks off on everything. You can hear the trees. So here you go, Mara and Nick Nack, staying warm in your little Arizona. And this is what we have. It is pretty, but the grass looks like green beans, really thick green beans. Can you see it? See crunch. And then there's our fence. Look at the fence. Everything is just dripping with ice. It's beautiful. But Caleb and Tristan are going in for a good picture. There's Bob and Julie's house over there. There's Papa John. Okay, that's pretty cool. Alright. Bye, Mara. Bye, Nick Nack. Love you.